All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. How many hours do you sleep every day?
Every day I sleep 7 to 8 hours a daily.
Okay, this is a short answer. You need to add some detail. So,
Yes. I
every
s-
day I sleep for 7 to 8 hours. I usually go to bed at 12 o'clock, and in the morning I wake up sometimes at 7, sometimes at 8. But during the weekend, I try to sleep more. Then I sleep for 10 to 12 hours. So, to answer your question, normally I sleep for 7 to 8 hours. ठीक है just answer like this 5-6 sentences and speak confidently, fluently,
Okay.
otherwise your answers will irritate the examiner. Okay,
Okay.
let's go on. Is it necessary to take a nap every day? Nap is in the afternoon when you sleep for some time. So is it necessary to take a nap every day?
Yes, it's necessary, but uh, our in busy life, this is not possible.
Okay, this answer is also short, so at least 5 sentences for each
Okay.
answer. Do old people sleep a lot?
Yes, I agree because
Now, see,
old
I didn't
people say
ask you whether you agree with me or not. Do old people sleep a lot?
yes,
Yes, they do, because at that age, something
that
like that.
that age factor, and
Okay.
you,
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed uh, 11 o'clock.
All right, your answers are extremely short, very much to
Yes.
the point, and some answers are not even correct. So you got to work very hard with it.
Okay.
Take interest. The topic was very simple topic. So if you don't take interest in IELTS, in speaking, you will not be able to make it. Okay?
Okay.
Take full interest in that.
Okay.
All right,
Thank
let's go on. Handwriting is the topic. Do you think handwriting is still important?
Yes, because in my point of view, it is just like one of the skill some peoples have,
Some
and
people have
some people
one
have.
of the skills.
It is one of the skills some people have, and those who have this skill, they always are confident because they are thinking that whatever they are writing, it's good, and when
Yeah.
they added more their
So
thoughts.
I think handwriting is very important as it was in the past. Or
Yes,
handwriting is as important as it was. Just
in the past.
conclude this. 5 sentences are enough, okay? Do you think computers might one day replace handwriting?
No, I don't think so because many people still are used to of good handwriting as we go to the past. This is as already said, this is an art, so computer will never take the part of the good
Yeah,
handwriting.
computer will never take place of handwriting, or computer will never replace
Yes.
handwriting. Good. Do you usually write by hand or write using a mobile or computer?
I think I have a good handwriting, so I usually, whenever I even this is my hobby. That whenever I'm sitting alone, I just start writing anything in front of me, and I just
Yeah,
start
so
writing
to
it
answer your question, I prefer to write by hand.
by hand. Yes.
Right? You should
The
give
answer
one
to your
sentence
question is to
conclusion.
write it by your
Yeah,
hand.
all right. Let's go on. When do children learn to write in your country?
At the very starting age, they start learning because that is the time when they just learn something, the joining writing or the because in the writing there are many ways. So what they learn in the childhood, they will just copy it in their whole life.
All right. Okay, one last question. Uh, do you write letters?
Not now, but when I was a child, at that time I was writing.
I used to
I
write.
used to writing letter.
I used to write letters.
I used to write letters to my friends, and just like when somebody is not in my city, then I was used to writing the letter to those.
Okay, so just organize your answer in a systematic way and patronize your answer. Patronize means there should be a pattern. You should know if the question is, do you write letters? First, yes or no. Then after that, reasons or explanation, and then one sentence conclusion. So this must be the pattern of your answer, right?
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.